Hello everyone, I am Maximo Magbuo. I am discussed to MMM. Ideology, rules, how it works. If you ask this to yourself, why are your finances aren't enough even if I work very hard? Why you rich people get richer and the poor get poorer? Why I am not rich? The truth is, the modern world is bad. It is inhumane, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for the people. It is for those who produce money for ba- bankers and financiers. And ordinary people just serve them as attendants. So why? Was that banker work less but live better? Better than worker or miner? Because the banker is a bank money, exactly money. This is the whole point, the cornerstone. Banks care only about their own financial profits and benefits, and they don't care about the people. Today's banks are faithful servants of the Federal Reserve. They are greedy and avid bloodsuckers, modern early Dracula who plunged the whole world into financial bondage. And it sucks our blood, and it will continue to suck the blood of our children and our grandchildren if you don't stop and destroy it. Hammer and spent taken to all the banks. And do not forget the silver bullets. Apocalypse, only financial apocalypse. We have no any other choices. We are not slaves. We are the people and we choose the freedom. We choose MMM. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business. HYIP investment or MLM program. MMM do not have central account. Where are the system money flow and where it can be easily stolen from. Participants transfer each other money directly without intermediaries. MMM only regulates the process and nothing more. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which help millions of participants forward to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one help. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. But remember, MMM are no guarantees and promises, neither explicit at implicit. There are neither investment nor business. Participants help each other, sending each other money directly and without intermediaries. That's all. There's nothing more. There are no securities transactions, no relationship with the professional participants of the securities market. You do not acquire any securities. There are no rules. In principle, the only rules is no rules at all, even if you follow all of the instructions. You still may lose, win, might not be paid without any reasons of explanations. And in general, you can lose all your money. Always remember about this and participate only with spare money or do not participate at all. Sergey Mabrodi is a founder and leader of the MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mabrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributor in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. How does MMM works? You declare the willingness to give help. After that, your account will be credited with Mabro. Mabro's amount will start to grow from the moment of deposit, and the rate of growth in from 20% to 100% per month under MMM Extra and the regular growth of 30% per month. Help can be requested at any time but only after confirmation of your Mabros. What does after confirmation means? It means only after your Bitcoin transfer. When you really provide assistance to another participant, just click the Get Help and wait for the amount you requested from the participant to transfer it. Please note that 30% amount can be considered as a yield. We are the mutual aid fund, and nobody promises of guarantees to pay it. For example, let's say you decided to donate 5,000 pesos. You will receive Mabro equivalent to the amount you donated. You will get 5,000 Mabros. Regular growth rate of Mabro is 30%. It will continue to grow until you decide to get help from the community. MMM also has this MMM Extra wherein your Mabros can grow up to 100% per month. Sample computation regular growth of 30% per month. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits of the participant you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that the MMM network can exist without development and participants. Encouragement in the form of referral bonuses motivate many people to take an active position. Guiders bonus. Guiders of MMM community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each donation of every participants in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus that a guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guider's bonus depends on his level in the community. For example, if you are Ronald's guider, Ronald is Maricel's guider, and Maricel is Joseph's, you will get 5% from Ronald's donation, 3% from Maricel's donation, and 1% from Joseph's. If someone will be under Joseph, you will get from him 0.5% and so on. Guiders bonuses are created in the same way a referral, but only from new money deposited and will be available to withdrawal after confirmation of your help provided. If you want to become a competent and successful guider, we recommended you take a training course at MMM schools. Moreover, it is profitable for you. Schools graduates receive increased guiders bonus. Bonus from the video for the video in the testimonial. 5% of the sum of the help you receive. If there will be your face in the video and 3% if there weren't. MMM Extra 20% 100% growth per month. In order to make your Mabro grow up to 100% per month, you have to perform these tasks on daily basis and your Mabro will grow on daily basis as well. Together with these tasks, you will find all the necessary instruction, with recommendation and screenshot, so it will be very easy for everybody to complete any task from the list. But if you do not perform a task from MMM Extra, your Mabro will be grow the rate of 20% per month only, which is still not bad. The conclusion is if you perform tasks from MMM Extra every day, your Mabro will grow at the rate of 100% per month. If you don't perform any task, your Mabro will grow at the rate of 20% per month only. How do we send or receive donations? We use Bitcoins in sending, receiving donations. You might create your Bitcoin wallet at blockchain.info. Be part of our MMM community. Together we can change the world.